CAST navigation. Complexity made simple. At CAST, we believe in doing one thing and doing it well. We develop intuitive world-class GNSS INS simulation systems, delivering what our clients need without distraction, providing fully programmable multi-frequency, multi-constellation satellite and interference signal generation for advanced navigation technologies. Our Wavefront simulator is a powerful and robust SERPA tester that allows complete simultaneous testing from start to finish. The CAST Coherent Jammer Wave Interference Simulator creates real-world hostile signal jamming scenarios. Our INS simulators combine GPS and INS features, providing flight line and diagnostic testing with maximum flexibility to meet the most challenging military requirements. And CAST simulator support tools include TOPS, Terrain Obscuration Program software, where line-of-sight signal and multipath challenges exist. With full-service training, upgrade and maintenance services, CAST's intuitive GNSS INS simulators can help you maximize your technology's capabilities. CAST Navigation. For over 38 years, a trusted industry leader.